Hey traders, welcome to the Science on Forex YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to become a profitable trader by explaining multi-time frame technical analysis and order flow perspective. Now not waste any more time, let's go to the strength in the chart to find some good trading opportunities. Okay, so today I am going to talk about Euro JPY and the reason for which I want to break down Euro JPY, because we are very near to having a good trading opportunity, obviously capitalize on Euro JPY. So I want to create full breakdown that usual I will be keeping as educational as possible. So first of all, I speaking about the technical aspect of this market. So I will be breaking down the technical for Euro JPY, and we will then going to see what we have from commitment of trader perspective, which is hedge fund are currently doing in the market, and obviously it will help to you how to combine technical analysis and sentiment analysis correctly. By the end of video, by using the combination of our technical and order flow perspective, we will be able to understand where are the best probabilities for the next moment on Euro JPY. Okay, let's jump into the chart. Now starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see in the market. Now generally speaking in the market, if we have impulsive move, what we will expect, it should be create corrective pattern. After that it should create another impulsive movement continuous to the upside, especially for the creation of higher high and completion of the impulse correction and impulse pattern. Currently market created impulsive movement and corrective pattern and creating another impulsive movement to the upside. As well as we can see nice overexpanded W formation. After overexpanded W formation, market was retest on this neckline and continues to the upside. So in the monthly time frame, we can expect market should move to the continuous to the upside. Going down into the weekly time frame, what do we see? In the weekly time frame, we can see nice resistance area. So many time market touched in this resistance area and finally broken to the upside, and now testing on this resistance area, which is now turned into the support, because we can expect market retest on this support and continues to the upside in this weekly time frame. In the monthly and weekly time frame, market potentially move to the upside. Going down into the daily time frame, what we can see? In the daily time frame, market testing nice previous resistance area, which is now turned into the support. As well as we can see nice impulse. If we have impulse, market should create another impulse to the upside. Everything happening between it is called correction. After this impulse and corrective pattern, market should move to the upside for complete impulse correction and impulse pattern and for the creation of higher high. Monthly, weekly and daily time frame are potentially moved to the upside. If we going to see commitment of trader perspective, which is hedge fund are currently doing in the market. First of all, we consider about the euro. What we can see in the last report, net position increased net position from 137k to 140k with added 4k longs and only 800 short. Next we consider about the JPY. Currently we have 60k longs with 26k short, but net position decrease in JPY market. Net position decreased from 50k to 34.6k with getting close 8.8k longs and added 1.1k short. If we get overall Euro JPY market, we can expect market have bullish opportunity. Monthly, weekly and daily time frame combined with core data are the best time frame for measure direction of this market. When we come to the confirmation and enter to the trade, the best time frame is 4-hour time frame. So what we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective in this area. Currently we have 4-hour bearish market waiting for the convert 4-hour bearish market to the 4-hour bullish market for the enter to the valid entry. Trading is a risky business. Please be careful with your money. If enjoy the video, make sure press like button and comment below. Literally that it will support the creation more video, improve your knowledge. We will see you next video. Thank you.